Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be sharing a quick cleaning motivation I hope you guys appreciate and get inspired to get things done before the holidays. It's honestly just bits and pieces of me tackling laundry, tidying up, and getting some Christmas wrapping done in a span of several days, because that's just how life is right now with a newborn and 2 toddlers. I hope you guys enjoy and get all of the motivation you need for today. Be sure to leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. So to start off, I am going to be hanging up this map that I received from Mapiful. If you haven't heard of them, they do provide various styles of posters for you to design of a special or meaningful moment in your life, which I think is amazing, and I have actually worked with them before, so I was super excited when they reached out to me again to collaborate. I decided to go with a custom map of our first home. We have been living here for almost a year and a half already and have made some amazing memories here, so I definitely thought this was a very special moment to capture, and I thought this would be the perfect spot for it. This would definitely be a great gift for a loved one or friend. If you guys are interested in checking their website out, I will have all of their information in my description box, and they do provide free worldwide shipping. Alright guys, so I just had to tidy up the living room a bit since my boys had decided to take out all of the blankets and make forts earlier during the day. I'm not going to be doing any more talking throughout the rest of this video to give you all as much motivation as possible, but I will be coming back at the end. So I hope you guys enjoy the music and let me know in the comments what you are doing while you are watching. I would love to know.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. Can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. Make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's super quick clean with me. And if you made it this far into my video, thank you so much for watching until the end. It truly does help out my channel and I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you got inspired to clean along or wrap some gifts if you haven't already. I wanted to thank Mapiful so much for collaborating with me on this video. Please be sure to check out their website, and all of their information I will have in my description box. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a safe and happy holidays with your loved ones, and I will see you all in my next video.